Hello everyone, today we are going to explain how to configure BGP in IP version 6 enabled router. Here we are going to discuss eBGP. BGP two types, right? One is iBGP, another is eBGP. We configure iBGP when the AS number is same, right? Whereas in our network there is different as1 and as2, so it's called eBGP. We need to configure eBGP here as there is different as. Okay, so we have a two new router. We will configure from start. Login the Mikrotik router. There is a two router, right? Okay, so let's log in one router, and then for easily identify we will change identity. To complete the task we created some steps, like first of all we need to configure identity, then IP configure, then instance, then BGP pair, then network declare, finally we will check output. Let's start. We'll log in one router, then we are going to change identity, system to identity R1 sort of, apply, okay. Then we need to configure IP to address, click plus, sort of we are deciding this is our R1 router, right? Okay, 2001:1/64. The interface will be Ether2. Click OK, then click plus, assign LAN IP. Interface will be Ether1. We are following this diagram. Then identity and IP assign is done. Then go to the instance, routing BGP instance. This AS will be 1 and router ID, apply, okay. Then go to the pair, click plus, then the remote address. This router remote address is this side, right? In that case the remote IP will be 1:2, and the remote as we will provide S2, so just put 2 here. And this is the main things here, as it's IP version 6 family, so that you should go to the advanced, then address families will be IP version 6, you need to select it, apply, okay. Then if we check, identity configure done, IP configure done, instance configure done, pair configure done, finally your LAN network need to configure. You should go to the network, click plus, then your LAN is 2:1:2/network/64, apply, okay. Very good. Our R1 side configuration is done. Let's log in another router and we will declare this router as R2. Okay, log in the router. First of all we need to change identity, system to identity R2. Then go to IP version 6, address SNIP 2001:2/64. Interface will be Ether2. Then click plus, declare LAN block. Interface will be Ether1. And then go to instance, routing, BGP instance will be 2, right? Remote S, and router ID 2.2.2. Apply, okay. Then go to the pair, click plus, then remote address. This router remote address is this one, 2001:1, and remote S will be 1. Advanced IP version 6 families, apply, okay. Then go to network, click plus, and declare LAN block. Now you can check PR. Yes, it seems established, right? This is R1 router, and if you go to the R2 router, if you go to the R1 router, open, connect, and keep side by side. Routing to BGP, and go to the peer. You can see this is also established, right? And uptime also showing. If you go to the routing, now you can see DAB. DAB stand for dynamic active BGP, and the eBGP distance is 20. All configuration is done and it's working properly. If you go to the this side's router, routing, routes, you can see DAB, right? This side is also established. Even you can try to ping from one to another router, like this side is 2.3.1, this is R1. You can ping 3.2:1. Yes, you are getting reply, right? Also from R2 to R1, try to ping. This side IP is, this is R1, so this side's IP is 2 dot something, 2:1:1. Yes, also you are reaching R2 to R1, and also R1 can reach R2 router. Thank you for watching.